Good morning, laser enthusiasts, on this St. Patrick's Day 2024. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rich, the Louisiana Hobby Guy, and today I'm making the shortest video that I have ever made. But today is not a maker video, and before I jump into my next project, I want to ask you guys a favor. I want to hear from you, my incredible viewers. I'm opening up the floor today on suggestions and ideas on what you want to see me tackle with our next laser engraving project. Whether it's a cool new project that's never been done before, or a technique you want me to try out, or even a specific material you'd like me to experiment with, I want to hear it all. Your feedback is what fuels my creativity and keeps this channel going strong. So the purpose of this video and the comments below is going to be sort of like a suggestion box. Not a typical Q&A like you see in the comments on my other videos, but more just for suggestions. So if you have an idea or maybe even a material that you'd like to see engraved, just put a short comment of what that might be. And this video will stand as, I guess, like a placeholder for ideas for me for the future. I'm going to come back and revisit this video every couple of days and look at the comments and not necessarily reply to them unless they need a reply, but rather to see which comments get the most thumbs up or replies to. And yeah, I've got a long to-do list and lots of ideas for videos, but I want this particular video to be ideas from you, my viewers, on what you want to see. We have very little interaction between us. You know, I sit here and I make the videos, and you sit there and you watch them and make comments on them, and usually those comments are either you like it or you don't like it, one or the other. So my goal here today is to try and get you guys, the viewers, involved in the process of making these videos. I could just go to my to-do list like I've been doing and make videos, but I would rather see what y'all want and not so much what I want to do. Are you following? So I think by doing this, I'll be able to make more and better content for the channel, and having viewer input other than just the comments on my regular videos, I think is going to be really important for me, so that I know exactly what y'all are looking for in the way of content. So don't be shy. Drop your ideas, your suggestions, your requests in the comments below. Scroll through the comments first and see if anyone has posted something you would like to see demonstrated. And if you see something you like, give it a thumbs up and a comment on that comment. So let's make this next year of adventure one to remember. I think that if I listen to the viewers, and if you have a place for suggestions, it's only going to make this channel better. So, and another thing too, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you never miss out on my latest laser powered escapades. I told you this would be my shortest video, but hopefully it will be my best in regards to viewer participation for future content. So thanks for tuning in on this Sunday morning, and until next time, happy engraving, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.